Looks like a luxury car, but is built like a bunker. This Audi can survive attacks from AK-47, world's strongest sniper, most powerful hand grenade, and even a landmine. And even after that, it can play massage mode. And you don't buy this Audi for luxury, you buy it to survive. This is Audi A8L Security. Needless to say, the safety comes at a price, and for this one, the base price is Rs 15 crore. And the day you make an order at an Audi dealership, it takes roughly 6 to 7 months to make this car reach to your home.
Underneath its elegant design lies an entirely different machine. The A8L Security is certified to VR10 ballistic protection, and it is one of the highest civilian protection standards currently available.
It comes with Audi's quattro setup, and these run flat tires. They can last 80 kilometers at a maximum speed of 80 kmph. Audi says these doors weigh 160 kilos. Now you must be wondering, in the event of an emergency, how will you open them? Well, even if this car turns on its side, there is a ballistic mechanism in its hinges. So when it triggers, the doors fly off automatically and it becomes easy for the VIP to get out of the car. Audi A8L Security has everything that a modern day bunker should in terms to keep you safe. It gets all the bells and whistles that the Audi A8L comes with: 4-zone climate control, ventilated rear seats. They also come with massaging function and they are power operated.
This 4-liter V8 turbo petrol power plant puts out 571 horsepower against a peak torque of 800 Newton meters. It manages to do a top speed of 210 kmph with a gross vehicle weight of 4,450 kilos.
You must be wondering, what is it like to drive this car? Well, it is really different, I have to say, and that is why Audi offers free training to your chauffeur and your commander to understand how to drive this car in the event of an emergency, both in attack mode and in defensive mode. Along with that, it also comes with strobe lights, and it also comes with a siren so that other people know that there is some VIP movement. And there's a talkback button as well in case you don't want to roll out these heavy windows and want to talk to somebody outside. And Audi also confirms that these windows have such strong motors and cranes that if somebody puts their hand inside and you want to roll up the window, it will roll up. There's no anti-pinch thing over here. In fact, they can break your bones.
The Audi A8L Security is not about status, it is about assurance. A car designed for people who cannot afford unpredictability. A machine that quietly carries responsibility without ever needing to announce it.
What do you guys think of the Audi A8L Security? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do that right away and click on the bell icon so that you're notified for all our future uploads.